Okay. So the most important thing when you design, let it be a graphic design, let it be a UX design or any kind of design, not painting. Painting can be abstract. Okay, painting can be like Mona Lisa painting. It has taken hundreds of years to understand like what this painting means, and whenever someone goes to look at that Mona Lisa painting, they all have different views. Okay, have you seen Mona Lisa painting? Not really, but let's go to Google and search for Mona Lisa painting. Okay, do you know who the artist was? I also forgot who the artist was. It's a very famous artist. Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci, yeah. So it was like mostly Da Vinci. Okay. Open the painting. So there's a little story about this painting. I might tell you. Okay. You can read that story later, but I'll tell you. So, in general, people would say that this is just a portrait of a woman who came to show me the screen. No, okay, yeah. So in a way, people said, in general, when the painting was released, like when Da Vinci was alive, it was discovered very late after he was dead. Uh, that what this meant actually in a painting. Okay. So Mona Lisa was a woman in his village, and she came for a portrait. But Da Vinci did not just want to do a portrait, but he wants to create something like a story or like a science. People can still cannot figure out like how he did it, but what he did that every second time you look at this painting, even in a picture or even in the real painting, you see a different what you call different emotion in the painting. So at first, like the first glance you see in the painting, you'd see she's not laughing, she's not smiling. But the
Mhm.
second time you look at this painting, you feel like she's smiling. Third time you see the painting, you think she's a beautiful woman. First time you see the painting, you would feel like no, she's a regular generic woman. Okay, so he
Mhm.
created those emotions that could like completely that was not there in that time. Also, like painting like this
Mhm.
cannot be designed at this time. So this kind of painting is called like a you have to take a lot of time to read this
Mhm.
painting to understand this painting. Now let's go back to your screen. Okay, I hope you don't mind it. Okay, I'm going very conceptual.
No issues.
Okay.
I
So
like.
Mona Lisa painting was an example of complex art.
Mhm.
Not a simple art, but a complex art. Okay. But UI is something, the design you do in the back
Mhm.
end, that is complex, but your job is to make it very easy to
Mhm.
read and understand. You got my point, what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
So the most specific thing in any UI are the text. The text has to be readable no matter what.
Mhm. Mhm.
And to do that, you have to use opposite colors whenever you're. So if you're using a dark color in the background, then you have to use
Mhm.
light color. in the on the text. If you're using dark text, then you have to use light background behind it. Okay. And now you have to distinguish between what which page I am at and which page I am not at. Also, not just with the shape, but also with the color visualization. Okay. So let's go back to your system design and we'll change it. Let's go back to your system design.
Yes.
Okay. So the first thing you do, go back to your bottom navigation only. Be in the bottom navigation. Okay. So the first thing we'll do. No, you have separated it. I don't know why you have separated it. They all can be together. That's fine. Let's do one thing. Delete the home below. You don't need that. Okay. Click on the bottom navigation. No, not the top one. Second one. Yeah. Add a variant. From here, you see. Okay. So first do variant. Okay. Make it vertical. So direction has to be vertical in auto layout. Okay. First name it. Name it active. No, no, not that one. Direction has to be active.
And this one should be?
This should be state. Okay. And now let's go to auto layout of this and make it vertical. You are already on that. Just go to auto layout. No, don't remove the auto layout. You see in auto layout you have direction also, direction and gap. Yeah, make it vertical. Right now the arrow is towards. No, no, click on that arrow. You see two arrows above, above. No, 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 above, above. Yeah, there is one arrow pointing down, one arrow pointing right
Here, you
side.
mean no, it's padding. Here, direction and gap.
Yeah, vertical. Make it vertical. Okay.
Hmm.
Now go to your design and that home icon, bring it up. Okay. Not from here, in the system design itself. No, not like that. Click on the home. Yeah. No, why did we have direction? I forgot. Okay. And make the home and button text white. Okay. And from above those two buttons, remove the background. You remove the fill. You see, there you have a fill there. Remove it from there. First one. Now let's go and look at your design. No, you have a setting. Refresh that design. Go to both the components.
I think I have made it here.
Yeah, choose what? Yes. Also home for home. Search for it. Second one. No, no, it's the first one. You have to choose the second one. Yeah. And make it active. Profile is set. Okay. Now let's go back to your system design. You see the button text, make it unbold. It is bold right now, make it unbold.
All of this.
No, select the text. You're not selecting the text. Make it
I'll make
regular.
it
Yes.
regular.
Yeah.
Yeah. This
Second
one
one
also.
too. Yeah. Go back to your UI. You see the profile one, change it
Yeah.
to left direction. Right now it is right, change it to left. Yes. Because they all have to look little similar. Now you have more readability. Now select the main frame, like bottom nav, the outside frame, bottom nav. Yeah, okay. Increase the padding, left and right padding to 20. Not this. Yeah, top is good. Top is good. Yeah. Okay. Can you bring the home first? Can you make the home first? No, no, not like that. With your keyboard arrow. Keyboard arrow. You can do it with your keyboard arrow.
It's fine now.
It's fine. Change the button text to home. Now your text is more readable. Okay.
Okay.
Instead of setting, can we have list? Can we call it list?
Oh yes.
No, no, not list. Call it products. Because we are on cafe thing, right? And change the setting icon to uh, some list icon or like a coffee. Check if you have a cup icon. Yeah, you have. Okay, change the direction. Direction has to be left. Direction is right. Okay. But there is a problem here. There is a problem in this. Why is your icon hiding a little bit? Yeah, icon is hiding. No, it's not hiding. There is a very less padding between icon and your profile. Can you go to your system design and change that? Remove the what you call that right icon thing. You don't need that. Yeah.
This one or the
Yeah, this
first
one.
one?
Yeah, you don't need that. This is bottom navigation. You don't need that. Okay, now you only need two. Okay,
Mm.
increase the padding in the first one. It's 15, right? Make it, yeah, the space between each element, make it 15.
Okay. Okay.
You want to do it? No, 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 15 is too much. Make it 10. No, it's not working. Now let's go and refresh it. It looks like, oh, it's not your bottom navigation. That is why it is different. Make it bottom navigation. It is bottom navigation. Then why it is acting like a button? No, no, it's still there's a problem here. That is the first one or second one. Bottom navigation button. Okay, let's you see bottom nav one, and then there is a three dot. On the toolbar, not this one, second one. Products. The products you have, select that. You see on the toolbar bottom name one and top last में you have three dots.
This one you mean?
Top. No, not three dots. Top में. Top. Left top. Complete top. Yeah, three
You mean
dots.
here?
Yeah, here three dots. Last one. Yeah. So go to reset and reset. Yeah, do reset all changes. Maybe there is a problem. Let's see. Yes. Now you can change it. Sometimes this happens. And change the icon to coffee. Now you got it. What about profile we need? Profile we need something else. That's okay. And okay, for now this is okay. But home has a shadow. I don't need a shadow. This home button has a shadow. Remove that shadow from system design. Go to system design.
I was just, exploring things, so that's
Yeah,
why
that's
I
okay.
did.
See, this is my job to make the design look better. Your job is to explore things. That's okay.
Uh,
Now let's go back to your UI.
should I remove the, like a bold thing as well?
Now bold looks okay because
Mm-hmm.
things for active it can be little bold. Okay, now it looks not that bad. Like
Mm-hmm.
text is readable. It's not a best UI, but text is readable, and you have things which needs to be there. Okay, now lights out cafe is not readable. Can you change the color of it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay. No, no, why your body? Wait. Why your body is a component? Body doesn't have to be a component. Your card only has to be a component. Break it. Body, go to body
Hmm.
and break the component from left side toolbar top. Go to left side toolbar.
Give me a second. I will just change my place. Yeah, from left side.
Toolbar top. Go, yes. Click on that. Yeah. No, you don't see an option. Here you don't see an option. Wait. Click outside. Why is there not an option? Why is it a component first? Okay, click outside. Why is it a component? You have not added any property, but you have made it a component. And you can't even break it because it's a main component.
Mm-hmm.
Can you ungroup it?
Yeah.
Just ungroup it. So it will go away.
Should I just
No, you don't have ungroup option?
no, I don't think so.
No, there is no ungroup option. Okay. Yeah, this is where you made a mistake, but that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Um, no, undo it. Don't. Let's do one thing. You have to redo it. Then delete the body. I think. Delete it completely. Yeah. You're okay. Frame one. Why is frame one? Name it body. Okay. And let's
Mm-hmm.
uh, go to asset and bring your card inside it and duplicate it. Control D Make the body, no, no, do you don't do it like that. Select the body
Mm-hmm.
in layer panel
Mm-hmm.
and go to auto layout and make it vertical. Yes, that's how you do it. Now you can change the card content. Select the card component, not the text. You went too much inside. Just select the card component. No, 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 no. Card. Just select the card. No, you see in the layer panel. Yes.
This one, right?
Yeah. Now you change the
Mm-hmm.
content from left side top.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is okay. You have to change your second one, right? First one is okay. Second one, change the second one.
Okay.
And
Uh,
let's go to your
mm,
system design first because your text is
mm,
not visible. Let's go to card. Change the lights of cafe color to white. Select the text lights of cafe. There's a problem here too, but that's okay. Yeah, okay. Can you select the, okay, you have text, right? Okay. Can you select the main card and let me see what is your auto layout? Okay. 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Why is it 1 pixel top and bottom? Make it 10 pixel. Yeah, now it's better. Okay. And why is space between is 10? Make it auto. Now select the text.
mhm. First one or second one?
No, no, in the layer panel. From the layer panel, select the text.
Mhm.
Okay. Let bring the button navigation outside.
This one?
Yeah. Not inside that one. You brought it somewhere else. Control it. Just bring it above text. Above text.
Should I remove to
Yeah,
here?
no, drag it, no, above. One more above. Text main layer, Or you can do one thing, okay. I have a shortcut.
Mm.
Command and this bracket, You see curly bracket? You do command curly bracket. How do you do it?
Yeah, it's like in that only. So
Just
you
drag
want
it,
me to?
select it and
Mhm.
just drag it like towards left, no? It will come out. Not from here.
Mhm.
Not from here. From your
Here,
layer panel. Drag it to the left side. Yeah. Why are you dragging it down? You have to drag it just to the left side.
here you mean?
Yeah, bus. फिर again you drag it toward top. Just left side. Drag it to the left side.
It's
Leave
like
it. Just leave it.
uh,
It
mm,
came back. No, but it went here outside the text
mm,
area.
correct.
And drag it. Okay, again you
And
have to drag it right. You dragged it too much. You took it outside the card. You have to bring it inside the card. Again you dragged it too much, man. Drag only one step.
you want me to like add exactly where? You want me to
I
keep
want
out
it to
from
be
text, right?
inside card, but outside of the text component.
Can we delete and re-add it?
Yeah, we can do that. Cut it. Just cut it. Command X. Just do Command X and click on the card component. Yeah, and
It's
now to
waiting.
Command V. That was that could have been
Mm,
easier. That could have been easier to do.
okay.
Okay, that's okay. It's like coding only.
Mm,
First, it's more difficult than coding, I guess.
yeah. Sometimes,
Okay,
yeah.
now let's go back
Mm,
and see your design, UI design. Now see, it looks little
mm,
better, but also
correct.
your home ka color is different. Okay, anyways,
Mm,
we are going to do color theory today, right? So
mm,
it
mm,
doesn't matter. But now the thing is, now everything is readable.
got it. So I did it like very colorful.
Yeah, you have to make sure in UX design, no, everything has to
Mm,
be readable.
mm, correct, correct. What I thought that I'll try the red,
That's okay.
real
Trying is
linear,
not bad.
sorry, linear things.
Trying is not bad, but you have to make sure
Mm,
that everything has to be readable.
mm,
Okay.
correct.
Now I'm
Yeah.
going to share my screen and we are going to do color theory and typography.
Okay. I
And
will
this will
start.
also help you with programming. The programming you do,
Mm,
this will going to help. This is going to help you with that also. All
mm.
right. So I'm going to share my screen. Do you do hexacode in programming?
Sorry.
Do you do hexacode, hexadecimal code in programming?
No, because it's been 1 year. I never, practiced.
You never practiced. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah, because mm, I moved to the support desk. That's why.
Oh, yeah, you should have never moved to support. Is it? That's okay. Rishikesh, you are intelligent. Like, support is job for people. Maybe they
Mm,
are also intelligent. I'm not blaming them, but I'm just saying in a way. Okay. See, even in
mm,
if you see my design, readability is very important. And you made one mistake that in your design, I said only the active one will have text
mhm,
and rest of them will not have text. But that's okay. Now we are going to do color theory.
mhm. Uh, yeah. Can you just share your screen?
Yeah. Oh, let me share my screen.
Uh, mm.
Okay. So can you see my screen?
It's loading. Yeah, I'm able to see.
Okay. So we'll move all of these we have created as a component to a place where everything can look nice. So let's say components. Let's bring in the card. Let's bring in all these buttons. We'll still keep this mobile frame because we might need it to do some element.
Mhm.
So we will do one card. We'll keep it here. Button will combine all of them together in one auto layout. So we need to organize everything. Buttons and navigation.
Sometimes, like my buttons look really messy.
That's okay. See, it's okay to be little messy, but things that you have to work on it. Don't leave it alone.
Mm,
Okay. We'll make it top and also we'll put card into an auto layout, call it card components. We'll organize everything so anyone can find it. Now let's do, instead of auto, let's do 100 pixel and let's okay, let's do 40 pixels. Or let's take it outside. So I can have it in a different frame itself.
mm,
I'll ungroup this. Oh, why is it going on? Pull on mode of content. Now it's card components. Card components. And let me duplicate this and bring the button inside. Delete the cards and call it button components. Okay. Organization is very important. For me, I don't know about others, but for me it is very
mm,
important. Okay, let's give it a little bit of curve. 40. 40 is too much. Let's give it 20. If we can keep adding card on here.
mm,
So if it is not readable, let's add a text called card components and make it big, 30, and make this vertical, vertical, and let's give this spacing to 30. Okay, let's copy this, let's paste it here. Let's also make this vertical. With card components, let's call it button components. I'm going to try something new which I have not tried. I don't know
mm.
how it works. So I think today is going to be, we both are going to learn. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Let's make it a different color. DDP. Okay, now since our this is organized, I can put all of this in a section called components. And that is not an auto layout, that is just a section. Like it can, you can put things here and you
Mm,
can organize. Okay,
mm, mm,
let's create another section for typography. And let's put another for colors. I feel like I'm not in a mood to teach, but
mm. Really?
that, uh, no, but uh,
Mm,
once I get into the zone, I'm okay.
okay.
Okay, so we'll go to colors first.
Mhm.
So colors is RGB and CMYK, right? So like little bit
RGB.
of
Mm,
understanding you might have RGB and
mm.
CMYK.
I heard the RGB, but CMY, I don't know.
Okay, so I'll
It's
give you an
mm,
example. RGB, red,
um,
green,
blue.
and blue. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow. K means something. K is a different what you call
Mm-hmm.
alphabet, but it is black.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these are the only two color parameters you have uh, in, let's say, what you call in world. These are the only four
Mm-hmm.
colors. Four, no, let's say not four, seven colors. Rambo colors, you can say. You see Rambo.
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen Rambo? Rambo can
Yes.
have only these seven colors, not any other colors. And any color you see in world is comes from all these seven colors. Okay. In real life, whatever you see in physical, that comes from this. Is combination of this. So that
Mm-hmm.
is why this is defined for. Let's do it like this. CMYK RGB. See, AI is doing everything, but if you don't
Mm-hmm.
understand the basic, AI is not
Mm-hmm.
going to help you. That's what
Correct.
I feel.
Mm-hmm.
Like first, before even like you think of AI, you need to understand the basic, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're a designer, also if you're a developer, if you don't understand basic, I don't think that's gonna work.
Yes.
Okay. So you have CMYK and you have RGB. CMYK is used for print. Um, 60. You don't have to do this. I'm just trying
Mm-hmm.
to explain you
Mm-hmm.
the concept. And this is for web. Web can be many, like web, mobile, web as in web. Let's not say web. Let's say digital. Because
Okay.
web generally means like websites or like on Chrome
Mm-hmm.
or some browser or something like that. Meaning has changed. Okay. So these are your two color parameters. Print and digital. So everything you see outside is which is not in a digital format is created by CMYK, and everything you see inside a digital format like mobile, computer or anything, that's combination of this format. RGB, red, green and blue, and print, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to, since you are a programmer and a designer, we have
Mm-hmm.
to focus on
RGB.
RGB. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm here. Yeah.
So, in a coding term, even for a
Mm.
designer, even for a developer, there is a parameter or called hexadecimal. Later, you pay me more fee, okay?
Sure.
Hexadecimal. Did I write something wrong? Hexadecimal. Okay. What is hexadecimal? Hexadecimal is a six-digit number. Let's say 000000.
Mm.
That's a six-digit number. It goes from 0 to FFF. After 9, the 10 is then number 10 becomes AAA.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So any color you see on the web, RGB
Mm-hmm.
of is defined from this.
Okay.
Okay. So hex code. You see this
Mm. White.
white
Readable.
because
Readable.
it is FFF. Okay. Now let's go in more detail. So first two colors of hexadecimal, if you do FF, it becomes, and everything is 0, it becomes red. Second two colors, if you do FF and rest, if you do 0, it becomes, let's do for an example. Let's see, yeah, this one. You already
Mm.
have an example. This is first two digit is FF.
Okay.
Rest everything is 0.
Zero.
This one, second two, oh, come on man, green, it took a literal green. I'm saying take a literal green. Now it's a literal green.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a literal blue. So green is middle to FF. Blue is last to FF. Okay.
Yes.
Very clear concept of understanding any color.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's make it little bold. So from today, no, you should never be like you should. Now it
Mm-hmm.
should be your mind should be clear about colors, right? Any color
Okay.
you get.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not going to go into the history how this color was
Mm-hmm.
defined, and just because I'm not a scientist, I know how these were defined, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Like you see the diamonds, right?
Yeah.
When the sunlight comes into a diamond spectrum, it goes
Mm-hmm.
into seven different direction with seven different colors. That's how the physical
Correct.
color was defined. And
Mm-hmm.
from these physical colors, they define these three colors which can be used in digital format. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's go to this is let's call it color concept because this is not actually we are going to use it. This is to understand concept. Okay. Now uh, I need to. Okay. This is. I might use it later because this is a very good concept
Mm-hmm.
and people I think don't understand base color. Okay. Now, especially nowadays, not like let's say 5 years back or 10 years back. Nowadays, in any UX design or any application, you would see three colors, and everything else is
Mm.
let's say a primary highlighter or maybe like a object which has to be highlighted. Okay, like if you see this in Figma, this is a primary highlighter because it is active.
Mm.
Okay, and if you
Correct.
see all these colors, these are different objects specialized,
Mm.
like how I was explaining you, these are like absolute position.
Mm.
I have not put it automated, but I needed to do it. Okay. So any application you design, you have two modes, bright mode and dark mode. Okay. And bright mode is generally combined of uh, white colors and dark mode is combined of black colors and percentages of black colors. And then you have the highlighters, and highlighters could be according to the brand. So some brands would have like orange branding, some brands would have, let's say, different branding colors, like let's say
Mm-hmm.
Copilot app. Copilot's branding is basically this blue. Okay, I don't
Mm-hmm.
think anything is okay. It's not doing anything. Okay, that's okay. Or so, how do I explain it? Okay, I need to explain it somewhere where it is easier to write
Mm-hmm.
and define. This is different. FNF service. Let's go here. Okay. So you have dark, but companies are doing more than that, and then you have bright. Okay. Dark and bright. So I generally see either dark blue or either dark black in any application. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you might also be seeing that they are playing either with dark blue or dark black. Or in
Yes.
terms of white, bright, I mostly 99% of see the time I see white. I
White.
have never seen any other color in bright mode other than white. Have you seen any other color?
Not like that. Depends on the application as well. But most of the white.
Let's say some examples of Figma. Figma is black.
Mm-hmm.
No, what you call Teams is, yeah, Teams is combination of blue, black.
Mm-hmm.
And if I
Correct.
change the mode, let's say mode, appearance, enable animation, theme, light mode. Yeah, it's completely white.
Mm,
Teams is complete, but it gives you an option to change the color. But I don't think anyone
correct.
does it, and nobody changes it.
No, they will directly select the dark mode.
Yeah, no, it's
Mm-hmm.
automated.
Oh.
Automated. Why? I'll tell you why.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because in daytime you
Mm-hmm.
want to see dark mode, and in night time you want to see white light mode. Because in
Correct.
daytime the light is
Mm-hmm.
outside, right? Light is everywhere. So if you
Mm-hmm.
see light and light, your visibility will be impaired. Okay,
Okay.
because it would
Mm-hmm.
be too bright. Okay, that's why Facebook, you know why Facebook is going
Mm-hmm.
down? Facebook is going down because they have only light mode.
Correct. Correct.
Like, it's crazy, right? They have not
Mm-hmm.
even, still not even fixed it, and Facebook is like completely going down. But if you see LinkedIn is a very
Mm-hmm.
neutral color. They're not either completely dark or they're not either completely bright. But WhatsApp changes according to what
Mm-hmm.
you are in a day or you are in a night. Instagram also changes according to if you are using it in a day or if you are using it at night. You might not have thought about it,
Mm-hmm.
but this happens.
Okay.
And in general, banks are also, some banks are doing it, but not all the banks are. Like if I have
Mm-hmm.
Kotak ka application, it's always white.
Yes, yes. I saw the HDFC too.
It's always white. There is no what do you call. I don't think they have considered the usability possibility. You know, also like a visual possibility.
Mm.
It's too much colors: red, white, green, and all that shit.
You can send the feedback.
Yeah, but the banks are, you know how they are. They
Correct.
won't listen to you.
Yeah.
That's okay. But Twitter has managed that. Twitter is
Mm.
always either Google also managed that. I think Google is also doing that. It has come to dark and bright mode. So some clients might come to you and then they say
Mm.
that they want a custom color, but
Mm.
99% of the client would say, I need an application which is usable. I don't care about my own feasibility that I want to be this color. I want an application which is usable in a way. Okay. Now we have a conceptual understanding. Now let's go to technical understanding. Technically, how to design these, colors and make them a variable.
Mm.
Okay. So now let's. So we'll do what you call dark mode because we are doing dark mode. Okay. Now
Okay.
this is a color concept. Now let's do. I only have 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do one more class
Yeah, yeah, sure.
within this week itself.
Sure, no problem.
That's okay. Because this needs to you need to have this
Mm.
clarity. If you don't have this clarity, you know you will always get stuck. Because color is
Correct.
something people get stuck. Okay, what
Mm.
color should I put? You got stuck in your design,
Yeah, I
right?
literally changed multiple times.
Yeah. So, but if you have this understanding, it you would not have to think a lot about it.
Mm. Correct.
Okay. This is like Mark Zuckerberg wears. There was a saying Mark Zuckerberg wears a gray T-shirt every day.
Mhm.
He doesn't have to think about it. Like if you have
Mm.
a ritual habit of doing
Mm.
something, then your mind is not in a pressure to think about it because you have a ritual to do it on a daily basis.
Correct. Mm.
Okay. So maybe tomorrow or day after we'll finish this color concept.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
I'll fix a
Uh,
call. Okay.
mhm. Yeah, you can schedule before the 2 p.m. I
Yeah.
will be there.
Okay. Oh, but you have a job, right?
Yeah, like actually I start this month for 5 month. I used to start 2 p.m. to 11:30 or 11.
Okay. Okay. Very
Yeah,
good. Okay, I'll do that then. I'll before 2 p.m. I'll fix a call.
yeah, yeah, sure.
All right. Thank you,
No
Rishikesh.
issue.
All right. See you soon then.
Yeah, 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 sure.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Yeah.
bye.
Hello. Yes, Siddharth, we have a class right now. Okay, all right.